Hello curry peeps, it's Richard Sace, Misty Ricardo again. I'm at Bhaji Fresh in Warrington once more, and now Chef Abdul Malik is going to cook a classic chicken tikka masala.
That's right, one of the UK's favourite.
So yeah, sure. Chef is heated the pan up and he's putting just a touch of oil, not much.
No, just a touch of oil.
And he's now adding the Korma paste, actually, which he has used in a pasanda video I did recently. It's interesting you're using Korma paste in a chicken tikka masala.
Yeah, it's one base, but different sauces goes in it for the masala. The masala sauce, Korma the Korma sauce, pasanda the yogurt.
Right. Okay, I see. So you've got a lot of all the coconut and almonds in there then.
Yep. Ghee, butter ghee, everything.
Yep. Onions and carrots as well.
Onions. That's the masala sauce.
So the masala sauce.
Chef.
About a chef's spoon and a half.
You've got all the spices like the Kashmiri Tandoori Paste.
Yeah.
The honey, the sugar.
I was asking Chef before about this. He told me what's in it. They're using yogurts, tandoori paste, tikka paste, Kashmiri paste, sugar, honey, which is a nice addition, some mix powder, and some veg oil. So they marinate it for 5 or 6 hours, and then you can use it straight into a curry like this.
Gravy base, that's the way.
Yep. So adding some base gravy from his pot, which is kept hot. So because you've got some oil or ghee in the pastes, that's why you didn't add much
of oil
at the beginning. Do you put any cream in at all?
I'm going to put a cream in a sec.
Great. So it's dead quick to make. Well, you're going to simmer that down for a few minutes. Yeah.
Simmer down for 3-4 minutes.
So it's quite quick to make, but the chef's going to simmer it down now he's added the cream. Let it thicken up and let all those flavours get to know each other.
There you go.
There we go. So you're just going to
let it simmer for a bit.
Going to leave it.
4 minutes, leave it,
yeah.
And it'll be ready.
Great. We'll come back to you shortly. Here's a pot of base gravy being made. No surprise to see plenty of onions. Right.
There you go. As you see,
it's ready. It's thickened up nicely.
Yeah.
I'm going to let it cool down for a minute or two before I taste it. Let's give this chicken tikka masala a taste. Oh yeah, that's one of the best ones I've ever tasted actually. Right, it's a lovely bit of small piece of chicken that I wrestled out of it, which is very tender. The spoon's not very good at slicing through it though, it's a bit flimsy spoon. So let's have a go at this chicken. Oh yeah, beautiful chicken tikka. Well, thanks for watching. This is Misty Ricardo signing out from Bhaji Fresh Takeaway in Warrington. I hope to see you soon.